Ah,
Hi.
I am Ido. I'm from Israel
Yeah.
and I've been in Japan almost 3 years.
Oh.
I'm Kento and he's my boss.
Yeah, I know.
So number three, interesting things in Japan based on your experience. What's interesting things?
So I think especially visitors when they come to Japan, so I see like many visitors they always go to Tokyo and then Tokyo, Kyoto, maybe also Osaka.
Big cities.
Yeah, they go to the big cities. And I agree, I mean Tokyo is an exciting city, probably one of the best in the world.
Yeah.
But it's a city, so
Yeah.
I think like you go to Tokyo and Kyoto and Osaka, you get some experience of Japan, but still like it's very city. I think for me that one of the most interesting, like if you go outside from the city, like you go to the Japanese Alps, or you go to some mountains. So if you go outside of the cities, you find like very different Japan. Like everything's like really very, very quiet, and you don't see many people on the street, and the food is like really simple, and the nature is really wild. Like you can see monkeys and wild pigs, and you can see like I didn't see any bears, but you said you told me you can see bears. So I think like the going outside of the city to the nature of Japan is like really amazing because it's like really well kept, and really clean, and like really beautiful.
Do you have any favorite mountain or like any places that you went so far and you found it really nice in the like a forest?
Yeah.
I remember you went to Nagano.
Yeah, a few times. So I think Nagano is really nice, a little bit, but it's a little bit far. I think Okuniko.
Okuni.
It's like a reasonable distance from Tokyo.
Yeah.
I think it's like really one of the most beautiful places I've been. Like it's,
I've never been there. I should go.
yeah, it's really nice.
Thank you for watching. Yeah, bye.